Hello, students. In this video, let's talk about CGPA, what it is, how to convert it to a percentage, and how it's different from GPA. So let's understand it. CGPA, or Cumulative Grade Point Average, is a way to measure a student's academic performance across a specific period, like a semester or an academic year. It takes the grade points from all subjects and averages them, with each subject weighted by its credit value. Now, if you want to convert CGPA to a percentage, there's a simple way to do it. Multiply your CGPA by a set conversion factor. For instance, most universities on a 10-point scale use a factor of 9.5. So if a student's CGPA is 7.5, multiplying by 9.5 gives us 71.25%, which is the equivalent percentage. Moving on to the difference between CGPA and GPA. While CGPA gives a broad view of a student's performance over multiple terms, GPA focuses on a single term. CGPA is essential for graduation requirements or applying to higher education, while GPA can help track progress term by term and is often used for scholarships. Quick question: do you know your CGPA or do you mostly use GPA? Let me know in the comments. The complete curriculum for all classes is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.